And in the hands of Supreme Court members, the fate of millions of student loan forgiveness applications.
So yesterday, they heard arguments on President Biden's decision to forgive that student loan debt. And Amelia Young's following this once again for us this morning. She joins us live. And Amelia, after hours of questioning, where do things stand this morning?
But Amy, it's still all up in the air as of today. Of course, the majority of the court is conservative. They had a lot of questions about some of the arguments that were presented to them. They had questions about the president's ability to sidestep Congress in forgiving the loans, which would forgive up to $20,000 in federal student loans for some borrowers and wipe away nearly $500 billion in debt. The court heard arguments on two cases that could decide the future of that plan. Both cases argued that the Biden administration overstepped its authority when it granted forgiveness to millions of borrowers. The administration, though, says it was doing so because of the extreme nature of the pandemic, but some justices question whether that's fair to everyone else.
If you're talking about this in the abstract, I think most casual observers would say if you're going to give up that much amount of money, if you're going to affect the obligations of that many Americans on a subject that's of great controversy, they would think that's something for Congress to act on. And if they haven't acted on it, then maybe that's a good lesson to say for the president or the administrative bureaucracy that maybe that's not something they should undertake on their own.
Well, the program would cost more than $430 billion. A final decision, though, isn't expected until sometime this summer.